This is the Prime Line 3/4 inch textured self-adhesive wall protector. And it is an ivory color and it's made of vinyl and it hides unsightly wall damage. It's also a doorstop and wall protector, and it's paintable by both latex or oil-based paint. And there's a self-adhesive backer which eliminates tools or fasteners. And as you can see, it's very easy to do. And all you need to do is wipe down the area, make sure it's dry, and then make sure you know where the doorknob is going to make contact with the wall. Peel off the protective backing paper from the mounting adhesive, and you're all set. You just need to mount the wall shield in place and press firmly to the wall. Simple as that. Definitely recommend this product. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.